I started downtown Grand Rapids. I was down inside a little automotive shop, inside of a small little space, and started off with a 290 AgieCharmilles machine. And from there, I moved to Granville, Michigan, grew from there.
Our secret is mainly do the work that's difficult and hard, that the other shops don't want to do. And we like to think of ourselves as a specialty shop that really takes care and quality in all of our work. And it has allowed us to please our current customers that we're sending blocks hours away across Lake Michigan to other shops.
We just invested in niches, being a little bit different than the other competitors out there. Also into bigger parts. We like to do larger capacity, and GF Solution gives us those advantages.
What makes us different than other shops is just not the capabilities of our machines, but also our employees. While our guys are familiar and know how to use the GF Solutions 400 machine, the 1250 is very similar to the 400. They've actually been able to get up and running it without someone coming here or going to class to learn some more training on it. One of the main reasons we looked at AgieCharmilles was that it allows us to cut up to 30-degree angles at the full height of the machine. And it's just not common on their 1250, it's also common on all of their AgieCharmilles machines. Since we got the AgieCharmilles 1250, our capabilities have really increased. It's allowed us to accommodate bigger blocks that our 640 and 400 could not accommodate. With the Aggie 1250, it allows us to cut parts up to 31.5 inches thick. I can hold parts that are up to 90 inches in X and up to 54 inches in Y. We've looked at other brands of machines and other competitors, and we were just turned off on the capabilities that did not compare to the AgieCharmilles. Other options and capabilities were that the table's hardened on the AgieCharmilles. And on our competitor machines, they all have soft tables. GF Machining Solutions was fantastic with the help getting us our new machine. They've flown us in, and then they brought us over to see the machine, meet the operator, and actually see it in action. And we were really thrilled with what we saw. And once we saw that it would meet all of our needs and capabilities, we jumped right on getting one ordered.
With the new GF 1250 machine, I would see our company growing possibly even 20–30% in the next few years, just doing larger capacity parts, and I could see even in the future possibly even getting a second machine.
We are thrilled that we are the very first shop to have a GF Machining Solutions 1250. We were actually told that we'd be the only shop in the United States to have it for quite a while, which we hope stays true. And that is mainly because we'd like to be the only shop in the United States to have the capabilities that we now have.